Hey everybody, this is just a quick tutorial on how to take notes. So you're going to find a tutorial right here at the bottom. So whenever you get to a day that says play tectonic notes day 1, there'll be a day 2, a day 3, a day 4. It's a little bit longer unit. So this is what you do. First of all, you use the link to watch the notes. So if I go up here and I click on this, it's going to take me to a YouTube video. Now as you work through these notes, we will highlight typically, or we will make them a different color, or we will underline the words that we want you to fill in. We don't expect you to know, we don't want to have a blank here. It states that blanks have moved horizontally. We're going to tell you what it is we're going to explain. So hopefully when you're looking at the notes, you're not fast forwarding, you're not watching double speed, but you're actually listening to the content. Because the goal is not necessarily to fill in these words, it kind of is, but yet the goal really is to listen to the content and to learn the material. So if I go back to this sheet, it says use the link to watch the notes. You're going to watch the notes. Then you're going to use the video to fill in the blanks on a 2020 Plate Tectonics Notes Day 1 student copy sheet. Where do I find that? Well, you will find a copy of the 2020 Plate Tectonics Notes Day 1 student copy sheet in Google Classroom. Now, one of the things that we're going to do for you that's going to be a little bit different, depending on who you have, it might be different, is we're actually going to post one set of notes for day 1. We're going to completely have a separate set of notes for day 2, then day 3, then day 4. Some of you were saying you were having a hard time tracking them down because with the rock notes, you had the igneous notes, and at least for my students, I had you go back to those and fill it in, so you had all the notes in one document. So some of you said that was really hard to find the notes. So what we're going to do is we're going to make separate ones. So we're going to have a day 2 notes, a day 3 notes, a day 4. So all what you have to do is fill in the blanks. So when I come through here, it says, the belief that the blanks have not always been in their fixed position. Well, if I go back to the front of that video, here it is, the belief that the consonants. So you just have to watch it. So if you're going to say, I don't know how to do the notes because I don't know what to fill in the blanks, you just got to watch the video. It's that easy. And we have created a different set of notes for day 2. Here's a separate set of notes for day 3 and a separate set of notes for day 4. And keep in mind, you can use these on your check for understanding. So the check for understanding should be pretty simple, especially if you've actually watched the notes and you've read the readings. So if you have any questions about the notes, please let your teachers know and we'll try and help you. But make sure you read the directions. Make sure, hopefully, you've watched this video as well.